Ki khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso po near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
Chairman jong Regional Committee ka West Khasi Hills District uba Renington Lengdo Tongkhar uba dairu Menteri ke Sorkar Jela ulaya thu bagi pait ba nong song snong jong snong Tarabari ki penpau bagi kwa bandon hapo ke Jela Meghalaya watla kani ke snong kadai ke badang hap hapo ke West Khasi Hills District nrei ke Sorkar Assam kala Kamtrai Jubor daga ba penjari ru ya ke bor sensyar hapo kani ke snong Hagajingnya keren bat kilat patai kubor uba Renington ulaya thu ba ka Regional Committee kan sasyong perkhat biang nakabenta ban perkhat hagabay day bat kajing gentup lang yaki Autonomous District Council kis EM bat kiseng bahalang ban yatir yathai sani bha shwa ba ka Sorkar Meghalaya bat ka Jela Assam kin shim ya ka rai ka bakhaddu hagabay day bat kajing ya penbet yaki snong ki badon khaput bat ki badang don ha ki jingya ka ja pedeng ka Meghalaya bat ka Assam
Chunga personally kalampi ngala ide bakan hap Meghalaya long on my personal assessment namar ba por bangi kiu na Assam kito ki plain areas ki bakam saporu ki bun kisnong ki ban hap na Meghalaya kalampi le kerot kam hajrong te dapet na kata kaliang ide bakan hap na Meghalaya ten regis ko kamblong kebesuk nomor bag Assam meru katkum atau constitutional boundary udon syani sya po syangi haya kabangi kam bet baki deki jongi baru sekatu ki Assam pada katkum atau constitutional boundary udon syani sya po ya kabangi historically ki ong baki deki jongi sudah ha Assam ki ong baki tu ki deki reserve forest katkum ka notification kepada Assam ki omba ki reserve forest kan bangi plik bopon ba ki nong ki khasi jogi ki rasa gitu jaga ta kadaw ka bag pech Assam kim don ki information ni ba ki don ki bru jungi haki ni matang ketiat kisno ki bade kalang pi ya ka ba ki recognize ba ki de kita ki badon jing ke badon kita dispute ki de tangkat tu kat ne ki kisno kan bahangi plik bun aksno namar ba ki klamtip namar ki bru jungi ki don bet pat Meghalaya ki thabot ro Meghalaya te ki hapru hagini ki hima jongka state Meghalaya jongi te ka don ka major exercise ya ka bangin dia settle ya kalampi so tanat ya bangi lalik ki we hoy ni la ni don bhag jikaman bakan bet bat ko mapilio iya ki haki social media warla kamde yang abang air report ki finding pangilap dan rin marka apa ki social media beli itu hak pangilap secara bari haji syah tu kedai Assam cover dekat state Assam dan ri kala surprise ya baru hak pangilap kedai 100% pai ba balai lum deki hajar itu kira ketibe pedang bangi nginton Meghalaya te sutunat ya ke wording ke bobu chief minister Assam bawi ong ba in respect ia kaji kuat ka will jong ki pat ba te watlah kanong ka ba than ki ha ba phat prakhat kata nomor bakatara bari kohon de kastet Assam te ne ha pangile chetu kadon kanu kaji sutunar kaji internet ki pat ba tu ki ubi kuat badon Meghalaya tentang kata ngam dah kuat ban ay ki insight report te ne kani nomor ayo i le social media la syai palap ki social media te syukur seperti itu bakam parhap hakini kindriu tuli ki area ya ki bal identify de artli ki state bangin lek na kale komiti jongi ru kampat day bangin lek kalang ti kata kada ung shule itu barkit shule ka join visit manin hang ki ar ngur ki chief minister te henry officially na kale komiti jongi gimpat exercise kalang ti te nomor ba ngin dapat dep soy kane ikaman bangila pendep kam kloi ka balai kane le yu le bag ko ba nakaliang juga art li kistir kurman ki expect ini komiti ke bagi pendep apa entau naik nomor ki haji syah habarok kan long ni expect kumba ki jukran maka ka will juga pajak kali ka way ni factor and decide ya kan settlement te I mean ka faktor ke badan kaptam syah kali ka will juga pajak namar ni yakran mangi ni syong na national ngi keren na kamta kicing jadi pat ba pasong hapoda Ni lek ni wanno. Tenri maki ke syong tu merkasni batraka problem ke juki. Ni hablong concern nam ta juki. Ten mar kata ngah kerpar ba kibru jungiru. Ngah kerpar ba ngin sko to e kata. Ba ni keren hoat kadi problem ke jantung riu, ke problem ke state ndri ki ba face man kasni ke kitu ba syong tu. Namar kata ngah kerpar ba kibru jungiru ba ngin sko to e kadi ke shisha. Ba la kadai ngi begin solve no problem dispute kepada ndri ka sam beklia. Kadai number 1 nam tajuk tu kibru syong tu. Tinga sngo ba ngiru ngi de ban respect ya kai will jong kitu kibru jong ngi syong hak itu kiboda hakaba ngindang hakane proses baca itu apa yang ka sam bekle hakane komiti jong ka regional komiti jong ka district jong include baro ngin sakot biang gini komiti mereka sudon ke sutu bakala kendiat bangi kelb include nak tahu bah hakane ka joint committee kepada ka sam bekle ngila reduce ya ka number of members hakaba ngi don stang kendiat members te dena tak tahu keba ngim simlala badi laitan nomor ila laitan ki members te hendrei kene committee kaban ai report hoat ngila joint inspection kandai committee kaban ai report kandai kene regional committee ya kabang idon lang bat headman idon lang bat kisim idon lang bat kiseng malang hakabangin sakot tena kelinga jungi ke joint inspection ya ke finding kabang lalap nomor balai ngi sim bakalong important bangin le joint inspection nomor ba ki asam ki olele ki asam ki ongi kwa syong asam idalet mangina maklaya ki pa ba ki ongi kwa bulan maklaya tingi kwa ban le joint lik nang bangin lap ke shisha baki nom kren syu double punta jadi nak tak tahu ni semala ni krip lang ya baro akan ke joint committee te henrei ya ka finding jungi ke joint committee ke sara akan ke regional committee haka bangin si ban thir ban yo ban kren ban yo ban sim ki jingmut la ban sai biang ba ka jinglet jungi kam dei ka final decision kadai ndangi ya thir ngin ya kren ha kan ke regional committee ngin sa submit ke report jungi syaka sarkar jungi check of border dispute it has been there for 50 years so I don't think it is still hasty to take the decision now. To me, I think people of Meghalaya has been struggled a lot and it is enough. I think it's time to resolve now. So whatever we can do, we can resolve. Of course, as our Chief Minister used to say always that even though it's not 100%, but to the maximum we can resolve, we should resolve. And these two government of Assam and Meghalaya, they have dared to go beyond status quo. So I wish we should not delay more, and I wish, if possible, this year itself, this 6th area that has been entrusted to the regional committees, there should be a resolution, there should be a decision from both the state government to decide which village falls under Meghalaya and which village falls under Assam. I want to request people that our people have been patiently suffering enough time for 50 years. So it's time to resolve whatever percentage that we can resolve. I think we should resolve now. You see, different view, different opinion. I think we respect, and I wish that they will respect us also if we are able to take decision. Even though I will not, of course, their opinion may be hasty decision, but I think, according to my understanding, it is not a hasty action if we act now. After hearing, in my life as a politician, when I start involving in politics at very young age, that time only I could hear that people used to talk about border problem, border dispute every time. So I don't think it's still we have done this on hasty action, but I think we have done at the right time. We would recommend that of course the two states, the two joint committee will sit, and we would recommend, because without recommending, again it will take lots of time for the two states to take the decision. So we will recommend. First of all, we will do the recommendation jointly among the joint committee members, and then we will bring to the regional committee. Statement made by Honorable Chief Minister of Assam, he said that the last report that you will send, the committee from Meghalaya will send to our own Chief Minister, which Chief Minister Assam need not to know. And the report of their committee also will send to Chief Minister Assam, which we need not to know. But of course we will discuss a threadbare discussion and take the decision. I hope whatever finding that we found, we will report that only. I don't think that we will report wrong reports or to mislead the Chief Minister or to mislead the state government of both states. We will report the fact, whatever we found on ground. It's still not clear whether we will both sign the report that we will send. We will still seek the clarification. The statement of the Assam Chief Minister, he said that it's not required that the report to send from that regional committee to Assam. It's not required Meghalaya to see, or our report also, the report that we'll be sending. I think that he speaks sense, because all the integrity of the report that we may have to make may not require to show also. So I think he speaks sense by saying that. Of course, after threadbare discussion, we will try the finding that we find on field, on ground, when we go for a visit. We will report that. But of course, the recommendation, in the recommendation, of course, we understand, because that is the very important thing. And we may need to argue for the recommendation.